Good morning, students. In last class, we discussed about finding mean in direct method and assumed mean method. Today, we will discuss with step deviation method. How to find mean in step deviation method. So for this also, you have to take a grouped distribution, grouped frequency distribution. That is, I am taking here 10 to 25, 25 to 40, 40 to 55, 55 to 70, 70 to 85, 85 to 100. This is class. Okay. Now frequency is 2, 3, 7, 6, 6, 6. It is class, it is frequency. In examination, they will give only class and frequency. Horizontally, they will give some table and you have to find mean, that's it. So, these two you will see in the question itself. Now, in that question, by seeing this class and frequency, you have to make a table. Okay. In assumed mean method, how you took xi, it is fi. I said, what is fi? Fi means here, numbers 1, 2, 3 like that. F1 means first frequency is 2. F2, second frequency is 3 like that. Okay. Now, you have to go for xi. So, what is the full form of xi? Xi means mid values. Xi means mid values. Mid values for what it will be there means mid values will be there for the class. So, how to get mid value means I said already lower and upper, either limits or boundaries. What you have to do? You should do addition. So, 10 plus 25, if you add, you are getting 35. That 35, if you divide with 2, okay, this 10 plus 25, you should add it and divide by 2, 35 by 2. So, 35 by 2, if you do it, you are getting 17.5. What is the 17.5? It is the mid value of 10 to 25 class. So, it is 17.5. Now, what I said is, to get here, again you should take what? Sum of these two divide by 2. Means 25 plus 40 by 2. You are getting 65 by 2. 2 3s are 2 2s are. Again 32.5 you are getting. So, instead of finding 32.5 like this, first find height of the class or size of the class. H means here difference between either lower limits or upper limits. Difference of these two or these two. Okay. How much you are getting? For 25, how much you have to add to get 40? Or 40 minus 25. From 40, if you subtract 25, how much you will get it? You will get 15. Okay. So what is that 15? 15 is class interval. 15 is class interval. For this 17.5, if you add 15, 15 is 15.0. How much you are getting? 7 plus 5 is 12 to 1. 32.5 you are getting. Means if you add these two and divide by 2 if you do, how much you will get it? For previous one, if you add class interval, you will get same. Now I want here x value, xi value, mid value. Mid value of these two I want it. What I should do? For this 32.5, add 15 again. How much I am getting? 5. 5 plus 2, 7. 3 plus 1, 4. 47.5 I am getting. So, this is nothing but if you add 40 and 55, 95. 95 if you divide with 2 also you are getting 47.5 only. Same again, for 47.5 if you add 15. How much you are getting? 5. 12 to 1, 6. 62.5 you are getting. For 62.5, if you add again 15, how much you are getting? 577. 77.5. Again, for 77.5, if you add 15, 5, 12 to 1, 92.5. Okay. So, like this, you will get it. Mid values will get like this. Then what you have to do is, after getting mid values, you should go for mu I. Mu I means deviation. One more column you have to write. That is called deviation. Here I will write here. What is meant by mu I? I will write mu I. This is one column. So, what is the formula for mu I? Mu I formula. Mu I formula is, I will write here mu I. Mu I formula is xi minus a by h. Formula for mu I is xi minus a by h. So, mu I means mu1. So, I want mu1. In place of I am replacing with 1. So, x1 minus a by h. We should know the values of this one. x1 is how much here? 17.5. Minus a value we don't know. H value is, height of the class is 50. So, we don't know the value of a or not. A value how you have to get means, in these frequencies, the greatest value is 7. So, a value you have to take from mid values only and opposite to greatest value in F. You have to mark it as A. A stands for assumed mean. A stands for assumed mean. Here assumed mean is how much here? 47.5. Now 17.5 is having plus, 47.5 is having minus. So 1 plus 1 minus means you have to do subtraction. So from 47.5, if you subtract 17.5, you are getting a 30 you are getting. Which 30? Minus is having greater value. Minus 30 you are getting. Minus 30 by 15. 15 ones are 15 twos are. Here in u1 value, u or mu, both are same only. Mu1 value you are getting as minus 2. Mu1 value you are getting as minus 2. Okay. So, next, mu2 if you want. Mu2. Mu2 means, wherever I is there I written 2, that's it. x2 in mid value second one. What it is? 32.5. 32.5 minus, a means it won't change. 47.5 only. By h means it won't change. It is 15. So 1 plus 1 minus, you have to do subtraction only. From 47.5, you have to subtract how much? 32.5. If you subtract, how much you are getting? See it here. 5 minus 5 is 0. Point is there. 7 minus 2 is 5. 4 minus 3 is 1. You are getting minus 15. Down 15 is there. So, how much you are getting here? Minus 1 you are getting. Again 47.5. It is mu2 is completed. Now mu3. Same like this only. Mu3 is equal to x3 minus a by h. Same like that if you are doing, here you will get 0, here you will get 1, 2, 3. Easy method is, what you have to do is, you assumed a or not. Just beside of a you have to write 0, top 1 you should go minus 1, minus 2 like that. Down 1 you should go 1, 2, 3 like that. When you have to go means if it is regularly, if it is increasing. Now see, 10 to 25, 25 to 40, the class is increasing or decreasing here? Increasing. Increasing means like this. Decreasing means, so above positive numbers and below negative numbers will come. Okay. Now, UI is completed. UI is completed. Again I will say how to write UI. In xi, one value you have to assume as A. Where you assumed A, just opposite to that write 0. Above values, you know about integer line or not? It is integers. Left side you have -1, -2, 1, 2, like that it will be. It is a number line. This number line just I am reversing it. I am turning this one. So 0 will be top -1, -2 like this. Down 1, 2, 3 like that. Okay. Then we will go for next column. What is next column is Fi mu I. This Fi and mu I you have to multiply it. So in Fi first one what it is 2. In mu I first one is what? -2. 2 into -2. If you multiply how much you are getting? -4. 3 into -1. If you multiply how much you are getting? -3. 7 into 0. 0. 6 into 1. 6 only. 6 into 2. 12. 6 3s are 18. Now in this some negative are there, 0 is there, some positive are there. So I want a sigma Fi mu I value. Fi mu I is all, if you are adding it is called sigma Fi ui. Okay, means you have to add this entire. It is, if you add negative numbers you are getting -7. If you add positive numbers 18, 20, 30, 36 you are getting. Plus 36 minus 7. Still if you add you are getting 29. Okay. Now formula is important. For step deviation for mean the formula is x bar, means mean is equals to a plus sigma Fi mu I by sigma Fi into h. It is the formula for step deviation method. Now substitute in this one. What is a here? A means 47.5 plus sigma Fi mu I means Fi mu I is all you should add, you are getting 29 divided by sigma Fi. Fi is all you have to add. 3 6 are 18, 25, 30. You are getting 30. What is 30 here? In Fi column all you are adding. Sigma means sum. So sigma Fi you got as 30. H, height of the class is 15. 15 ones are, 15 twos are. So 47.5 plus 29 by 2. If you do division, 2 ones are 2, 2 fours are 0.5. Then 14.5 again 0.5, 15, 22, 62. So what is 62 here? 62 is assumed mean. You got 62 as assumed, not assumed mean. Okay, in step deviation method. So this you can do in other two methods also. You will get a same. So this is about step deviation method. Next we will do another problem. To understand, I will say one more problem. (11 to 13), 13 to 15, 15 to 17, 17 to 19, 19 to 21, 21 to 23, 23 to 25. Okay. It is what? Class. Next frequency we will see it. 7, 6, 9, 13, F, 5, 4. It is third problem. Okay. In this one frequency he did not give, but you have to read the Question carefully. The following distribution shows that the daily pocket allowance of children and of a locality, the mean pocket allowance is 18 rupees. He given mean as 18. Mean they given as how much? 18. They given. So what you have to find is missing frequency. You have to find it. So how to find missing frequency? We'll see it here in this. Now you have to add this entire. It is called sigma fi. If you add 7 plus 6, 13. 13 plus 9, 22. 25, 35. 40, 44. 44 plus f. Because f value we don't know. Plus f only should write it. Next, xi I said. It is very easy. 11 is there, 13 is there. Both add it. 24. By 2 do it. 12. It is 12. Difference is how much here? 15 minus 13. Class interval is h is 2. For this 2 add it. 12 plus 2, 14. Again 2 add it. 16. 2 add it. 18. 20. 22. 24. Mid values you got it here. Okay, xi values are there. And I said to take one value in xi as a, I said. Being 13 is the greatest value, 18 you took it as a. Next mu I. What I said mu I, where a is there write 0. Being it is increasing one, top you will have minus values, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. Down you will have 1, 2, 3. UI is completed. Next go for Fi UI. Fi UI. These two you have to multiply. 7 into minus 3. Minus 21. Minus 12. Minus 9. 0. F into 1. F. 5 into 2. 10. 4 into 3. 12. So if you add, how much you are getting? See it. 12, 19, 21, 19 is 30, 42, minus 42. And these two if you add it, 22 you are getting. Minus 42 plus 22 is minus 20 plus f. What is minus 20 plus f? Value of Fi ui. Here you have to substitute in the formula. X bar is equal to a plus sigma Fi mu I by sigma Fi into h. In place of x bar you have to write 18 because mean they given as 18. A value we got as 18. Sigma Fi mu I you got as minus 20 plus f. Sigma Fi you got as 44 plus f. H value you got as 2. Now plus 18 take to this side. Here already 18 is there. This 18 is coming here. 18 minus 18. This minus 20 plus f by 44 plus f into 2 will be same. 18 minus 18 is how much? 0. So this 2 by minus 44 plus f, one fraction you are taking to this side. 44 plus f by 2 is equals to minus 20 plus f. 0 into anything is 0 only. Minus 20 plus f. Minus 20 take to this side. 20 is equals to f. So frequency value how much you got here? 20. So like this, 3 methods are important. You should practice all the problems in 3 methods. Practice it. Okay. So in next class we'll see about remaining. Thank you.